The topic is modification of leaves. In some plants, either the whole leaf or a part of leaf it gets modified into a different structure to perform a special function. So a part of leaf or whole leaf it gets modified or changed in order to perform a special function. Now let us read the various modification of leaves which are as follows. First is leaf tendril, and the function which it performs is for support. Now in plants with weak stem like pea, a few leaves are modified into thin wire-like coiled structures which are known as leaf tendrils. So we can see in this figure which shows leaf tendrils for support in case of sweet pea. Now in this plant, the leaves are getting modified into these wire-like coil structures, and since these plants have weak stems, so they need support for climbing. So they give support for the plant to climb. The example of plants which have leaf tendrils are sweet pea and garden pea. So in these plants, the leaves are modified in order to provide support. The second modification of leaf is spines. The function they perform is for the conservation of water and protection. Now in plants such as cacti, the leaves are modified into spines to avoid the loss of water by transpiration. Now in cactus plants which are present in desert, there are already the shortage of water. So in these plants, the leaves are modified into spines so that the water can be saved and water should not be lost by the process of transpiration. Now they also protect the plant from the grazing animals. So the spines also help to provide protection to the plants from the grazing animals, such as in prickly poppy, the leaf margins they bear spines to protect the plant from the grazing animal. So we can see in this figure which shows spine for protection in case of prickly poppy. Now the leaf margin they contain spines which helps them to protect from the grazing animals. Now the third modification of leaf is scale leaves. They are also for protection. Now in case of plants like ginger and onion, scale leaves are found. Now they may be thin and dry or thick and fleshy. Now scale leaves provide the function and they protect the buds and fleshy leaves which store food material. Now scale leaves or ginger are shown in this figure. Now scale leaves perform the function that they protect the buds and they also help to protect the fleshy leaves which are storing the food in case of ginger and onion.